to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this portable blender right here. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So I did get this pink one. You can see that it has like some blue, it's like a bluish colored glass part. So all you're gonna do, open this up. I'm gonna make a smoothie, or a milkshake, not a smoothie. So I'm just gonna start off by applying the ice cream. That's way more than enough right there. So you do sometimes have to kind of shake it until it starts going, because the ice cream's a little bit thicker than like a oops. And then if you want to be able to drink out of it like a normal cup, you take this off. So we're gonna rinse that part off. I'm gonna put this part on. And then this turns it into a regular cup. And then this has a lock, so you're just gonna pull that down, pop it up, and you're good to go. And as you can see, everything is nicely blended into a nice milkshake. It did also come with a user manual, a charger, and a little ice tray if you want to make mini little ices. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.